Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Afshan Sari, your math teacher as you know. Hope you all are fit, healthy at your home. So today we are connecting our new class, new topic, and this 1 week is 4 week it's going to be start right now. Inshallah we will learn more things. So over here I will tell you which one topic today we will discuss. So look at the board students. Over here I wrote the topic, and which topic is there? This is shapes. In this week we will learn about the shapes. Shapes क्या होते हैं and how it look likes. So over there we will learn about this. Shapes, basically shapes क्या होते हैं today I am telling you. So over here I write one definition for you guys for your easiest thing. ये आपके लिए आसान हो जाएगा. That's why I write here. In geometry a shape can be defined as the form of an object. ज्योमेट्री में जो शेप होता है उसको हम डिफाइन कैसे करते हैं? किसी भी चीज़ के ऑब्जेक्ट से. कोई भी चीज़ ऑब्जेक्ट होती है एज यू नो. सो फॉर ऑब्जेक्ट वी विल गिव द नेम्स लाइक सम ऑब्जेक्ट्स आई रोट ओवर हियर. on those objects you have to tell the names which one object I draw over here. किसी भी चीज़ को like suppose चीज़ को ऑब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. is this simple, but for the objects we having some names for that. So over here I write some example. So come to the over here. I draw one egg is here. Can you see? This is the egg. But ये तो egg की picture हो गई. But for the egg, which one shape is there? हर object का एक अपना shape होता है. So from that shape we will call the name. उनका जो भी name होता है हम उससे उनको call करते हैं. So egg shape. Can you see this one shape? This is the oval shape. So right now I am telling you which one shape is this because you don't know what is this. So over here I write over here how it's look like. कैसा दिखता है ये egg कैसा दिखता है? Because we have 3 shapes and it look like similar like round and circle and oval. But in oval some difference are there. जिसका upper side होता है it will be some like not more than fine. So ये oval shape है. Over here I write one question. How it's look like? ये कैसा दिखता है? So you have to tell me which one shape is this and then we will write over here. So it's look like कैसा दिखता है ये? Oval. So I write over here. Fine. Oval. कैसा shape दिखता है ये? Oval. Fine. Or one more example is here, but I am not going to tell you which one shape is this. You will tell me which one shape is this. I write the spelling as well. S-U-N sun. So the sun shape is there. Which one shape is? Sun का shape तो है, but in the shape what we are calling for the sun. Sun को हम क्या कहते हैं? Sun गोल दिखता है. It will be like round shape, circle shape, oval shape. Which one shape? So this is the circle shape. Which one shape is this? This is the circle shape. I write one question over here. How it look like? कैसा दिखता है ये? Same question. So you have to write the things over here. You have to give the name for sun. Sun को आपने ये object है. Am I right? This is the object. So for object we should to give the name. ये इसका shape का हमने name देना है. So the shape name is it's look like circle. The shape name is circle. So today I am telling you what is objective and what is objective of the picture. जो picture का object है वो क्या है और object जो है वो picture है. It means if I will say you in your room one window is there. So the shape is rectangle or square. वो rectangle के जैसी होती है, थोड़ी सी लंबी और up and down जो उसके थोड़े से कम होते हैं. और and one more thing, square shape window are there. Square जो होता है वो box की तरह होता है. So like this I am telling you these 2 shapes. Firstly you have to learn shapes क्या होते हैं. Shapes हम उनको बोलते हैं जो object होता है. और object क्या होता है? Object चीज़ों को कहते हैं. Things like fan is there. अब fan जो होता है, fan का जो ऊपर वाला part होता है, the topper part like this. Fan का part ऐसे होता है ना, look ऐसे होता है. But is the fan I am telling like this ऐसे होता है. So shapes is here. How many shapes? 3 shapes are here. I am going to tell you. Look, this is the circle, this is the line and this one is the oval shape. Fine. तो एक ही चीज़ में you have to find out 3 shapes. Like first one is the circle. It look like round, गोल shape है, but the shape is circle. And one more is there. The shape line shape is there. क्योंकि एक लंबा सा एक जो उसके ऐड होता है. and down the oval one. If you have saw this one fans, and I know you all having this fan at your home, so the shape is there. इसी तरीके से you all have a lot of things at your home. You have to check that object things, like उनका object कैसा है, वो कैसे दिखते हैं. Like the window, I have given the example. Like the door, like in our school, desks are here, fans are here, duster is here, the duster lamp, the duster objective. How many corners they have? So in shapes we are talking about the corners, कि उसके corner कैसे हैं, वो कैसी जगह लेता है. Like this, like in oval, one corner was there, like ये एक ऊपर corner बना, but on down it is look like round. यहाँ से round है, but on top side it is not like that. So that is oval. We have given the name oval. Like same thing over here. This is the round shape. This is looking like the circle. And over here one circle is there in the sun. Sun के साथ sun का जो shape होता है वो कैसा होता है, round shape होता है. So on round shape we have given the name circle. Round shape को हम क्या कहते हैं, circle कहते हैं. तो the circle we are writing over, the spelling is there, circle spelling is there. हमने इसको नेम देना है. जो इसका शेप है, फर्स्टली वी हैव टू चेक द ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, कौन सी पिक्चर है, एंड देन वी हैव टू गिव द नेम. सेम थिंग आई हैव गिवन ओवर हियर फॉर योर कॉपी वर्क. Your copy work is this, like write their names. Just two options I have given. Like if you are eating something, it looks like triangle. Some jellies are there, जो हम jelly खाते हैं. So the shapes is like this, triangle shapes jellies are available. Bottle jellies are available. And one more thing, triangle, rectangle. So over here I have given the names. Then you have to find out which one shapes I have given you. Then you have to write the names over here. Just this one work, this is for you. Just two shapes you have to draw by yourself. Okay students. So first I have given, if you want to draw this on the corner of your copy, अगर आप चाहते हैं इसको draw करना for the rough work and showing the example. This is the rough work and it's also example. Fine, ये आपकी example भी है. So I have given just one example like this, circle, line and oval. But you have more than, like आपके पास और भी चीज़ें होती हैं. Like if suppose you are drawing the flower, अगर आप flower draw करते हैं like this, the circle is in the center and then you have to draw the oval like this. आप oval को petals की सूरत में ऐसे करके draw करते हैं. I don't know how to draw the flower, but I am drawing, everyone. So you have to draw by yourself like this. Oval shapes are there like this. Then one curve line, ऐसे curve line वाली होती है उसकी straight. Then one leaf shape was there, like इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, leaf shape होता है जो आपका, ये भी oval है. Same ovals we have to draw for the petal and for the leaves. But this is for the example. ये सिर्फ टीचर आपको example दे रही है कि one example is there and second one example is there. If you want to draw any example on the corner of your copy, so you have to use it, but one heading should be there. This is the example or rough work, like RC like this, na? Fine, rough column. So you have to do this one thing, write their names. You have to do this one on your copy. Use blue color, just blue color for drawing the shapes. Fine, and for writing the name you have to use pencil. I have mentioned the date. Today is 5, the month is 5 and the year is 21. So you have to write this one work in your copy and I hope you all are getting this thing. One more time I am telling you, shapes हम किसे कहते हैं. So in geometry, जो geometry होती है, in geometry a shape can be defined as the form of an object. किसी भी object का जो form होता है, जो उसकी shape होती है, किसी भी object की. Like if one board is there, see this is the board, the shape is this, like which one shape is this? कौन से shape का आपका ये board है, soft board जो आपका white board, ये आपका white board कौन से shape का है? This is looking like rectangle which I have given you in your homework as well. Fine everyone. तो आपको you have to do this one work in your copy, not this one. This is just for example. This one work in your copy, it should be there. And the topic on the index, shapes. And one more thing student, I want to tell you that if you are taking live sessions or if you are taking if you are seeing these videos on YouTube channel, so you have to submit your copies in the school with your work. Otherwise we will mark absent students. So I don't want to mark any absent for you guys. So you have to submit your copies with your good and presentable work. Alright everyone, so we will meet inshallah, we will meet soon inshallah our next topic with our new interesting things. So till then, Allah Hafiz.